Morning, children. We'll continue with Shakespeare, Merchant of Venice, Act 1, Scene 1. In the last session, Gratiano was advising Antonio to be happy, not to waste all his life in sadness, and he was giving him a lot of advice. And after Gratiano and Lorenzo left the stage, there is only Antonio and Bassanio remaining. So Bassanio tells Antonio, Gratiano speaks an infinite deal of nothing. Gratiano talks so much, he talks a lot, but there is no meaning in what he talks. He talks more than any man in Venice. His reasons are as 2 grains of wheat hid in 2 bushels of chaff. When harvesting is done, the chaff is what is thrown away and the grain is what is kept, what is needed, what is useful. So the grain is very small. In 2 grains of wheat, you have 2 big containers of chaff, of rubbish, which is to be thrown away. So Gratiano's meaning of what he talks is only like 2 grains of wheat. 2 grains of wheat hid in 2 bushels of chaff. So this meaning of which Gratiano speaks about, this meaning in the words of Gratiano is hidden in so much of unnecessary talk, so much of talk which is roundabout, or as we say in English, beating about the bush, talk which is unnecessary, indirect, and the meaning is only very little. It is like 2 grains of wheat. And you might search all day. You will take a long time to understand the meaning of what Gratiano says. And finally, when you understand the meaning, it is not worth a search. It is not worth the trouble which you have taken to find out the meaning. Antonio, well, tell me now what lady is the same to whom you swore a secret pilgrimage that you today promised to tell me of. Now you remember that only Antonio and Bassanio are on the stage. Earlier, Bassanio had told him about a secret visit which he made to a lady. Pilgrimage, there's nothing to do with religion in it. It's only a visit to a lady that you today promised to tell me of. Today you promised to tell me about this secret visit which you made to a lady. That is Antonio asking Bassanio. And Bassanio says, "'Tis not unknown to you, Antonio. 'Tis not unknown." 2 negatives there, so you know already my position. "'Tis not unknown to you, Antonio. You know all about it. How much I have disabled mine estate. How much of money I have wasted. Disabled, wasted so much of my money. And actually the money is given to Bassanio by Antonio. Mine estate refers to the money which he has wasted. Disabled means wasted. How much I have disabled mine estate by something showing a more swelling port." How did this money get wasted? Because he was living in a very luxurious style and he did not have the income to live in such a style. "Then my faint means would grant continuance of." Grant continuance of means allow me to live in such a luxurious life. Faint means I did not have the income. I did not have the money. But I was living living in style, living a luxurious life. And it was with the money given to him by Antonio. "Nor do I now make moans to be a bridge." Now I am not grumbling. I am not complaining that I cannot live in such a luxurious style. Nor do I now make moan means complaining. To be abridged means to be reduced, that in the sense that I am not complaining that I cannot live such a luxurious style. "Nor do I now make moan to be abridged from such a noble rate." Noble rate is the lavish spending which he had been doing. "But my chief care the chief concern, the chief worry, the main worry in my mind is to come fairly off from the great debts. I want to repay all the money which was given to me. Of course, it is the money given by Antonio. Is to come fairly off from the great debts. That is, Bassanio has a desire to repay the money which he has taken from Antonio. Wherein might time something too prodigal. So, he has taken money from Antonio and spent it lavishly. Prodigal here, wasting money, spending money. The reference is to the Bible where the father had two sons. The younger son claimed all the property that belonged to him. He took all the property, he wasted it. Finally, he had no friends, he had no food to eat, and he returned to his father's house in a very miserable condition. But the father accepted him. So, prodigal here just means wasting money. Wherein my time something too prodigal hath left me gagged. I am not able to speak out my thoughts because I have already wasted so much of money. I don't have the privilege to ask you for more. To you, Antonio, I owe the most in money and in love. He's so obliged, he's so grateful to Antonio for all the help that Antonio has done to him, both in way of finances and also the love and affection which Antonio showered on Bassanio. And from your love, I have a warranty. I am assured of your love. I know that you love me very much. So, I have a warranty means I have a certainty. I have a surety. I am sure to unburden all my plots and purposes. I can freely tell you all the plans which are in my mind because I am assured of your love, your friendship for me. How to get clear of all the debts I owe you. Now, Bassanio's problem is that he wants to repay the money and he has got a plan in his mind of how to return the money, return the debts. Antonio, I pray you, good Bassanio, let me know it. And if I stand as you yourself still do, within the eye of honor, be assured, my purse, my person, my extremest means lie all unlocked to your occasion. So Antonio tells him, you know me. You know how much I care for you, how much concern I have for you. So you don't have to speak to me indirectly like this. You ask me what you want me to do. I'm ready to help you because all the money that I have, all the influence that I have, everything that I have belongs to you. So you can tell me directly in what way you want me to help you. No need to go indirectly, no need to talk of other things. Tell me directly. Because my purse, my person and my extremest means, everything that I have belongs to you. Lie all unlocked to your occasion. You can use it. So if you want me to do anything honorable, as you yourself are so honorable, I am ready to do it. So now tell me what you want me to do. Again Bassanio goes indirectly. In my school days when I had lost one shaft. Shaft here means arrow. So when he was a child, school days means in his childhood days. When I lost one shaft, when he lost one arrow, I shot his fellow of the self-same flight, the self-same way. Self-same flight means with the same speed. The self-same way means in the same direction. With more advice watch means he watched the second arrow more carefully. So, the incident which he is telling is in his childhood, he shot one arrow, he lost that arrow, then he took another arrow, he shot that arrow in the same direction with the same speed, but he watched the second arrow more carefully. And the result was to find the other fourth. He was able to find the other arrow, and by adventuring both, I oft found both. And there were times when he was able to find both the arrows because he shot both the arrows. I urge this childhood proof. This is only an incident from my childhood because what follows is pure innocence, like a simple incident from my childhood. I owe you much, and like a willful youth, that which I owe you is lost. You have given me a lot of money, you have helped me in many ways, but all the money which you spent on me is lost. Because what follows is pure innocence. I owe you much. I am very much grateful to you. I am very much obliged to you. And like a willful youth, I was a very willful youth means I used to do what I wanted. I followed all the desires of my heart. I spent money as I liked. And like a willful youth, that which I owe you is lost. Everything which you have given me has disappeared. The money is lost. But if you please, if you are willing, please means if you are willing to shoot another arrow, to give another arrow means to give me another loan. That's self-way. So if Antonio is willing to give Bassanio another loan, which you did shoot the first means, just like the first loan, give me another loan. Just like the loans which were given to him previously, he wants another loan, which you did shoot the first. I do no doubt, as I will watch the aim, or to find both. Watch the aim means, watch the aim here, looking at the arrow very carefully, where it is going to fall. With regard to finance, it means I will use the second loan which you are giving me very carefully. I will use the loan very carefully. Or I will watch the aim, or to find both. So, by using the loan which I hope you will give me, I will use it very carefully that I will be able to return both the loans. Or bring your latter hazard back again. If I am not able to return all the money which you have given me, I will at least return the loan which you are giving me now, the money which you are giving me now, and thankfully rest debtor for the first. First refers to the first loan which he has taken. So if he is not able to repay both the loans, he will at least return the second loan and remain grateful to Antonio for the first loan. And thankfully rest debtor for the first means he will always be grateful to Antonio for the first loan which he has given him, and it means all the money which Antonio has given him. You know me well, and herein spend but time. You are wasting your time to wind about my love with circumstance. You are only wasting your time by saying all these things indirectly, and out of doubt you do me now more wrong in making question of my uttermost. By doubting that I will help you, you are doing me wrong. I would not be worried if you had wasted all the money that I have, but if you doubt that I will help you, then you are doing wrong to me. It means that Bassanio സംശയിച്ചു, Antonio ഒരു ലോൺ തരുമോ എന്നുള്ളത് സംശയിച്ചു. So Antonio is hurt that Bassanio doubted his desire, his wish to help him. And out of doubt you do me now more wrong in making question of my uttermost than if you had made waste of all I have. Even if you wasted all the money that you have, I will not be sad, I will not be sorry, but the fact that you doubted whether I will help you or not, that makes me worried, that makes me sad, that grieves me. And out of doubt you do me now more wrong in making question of my uttermost. You know that I am ready to do all help for you, to give you all the money that you want. Then you can tell me directly what you want. So by doubting my desire to help you, you have done me wrong. I would have not worried even if you had wasted all the money that I had. Then, if you had made waste of all I had, then do but say to me what I should do. Tell me directly what you want me to do. So far, Bassanio has not asked Antonio directly that he needs some money. So here, Antonio is saying, tell me directly, then do but say to me what I should do, that in your knowledge may by me be done. And I am pressed unto it, therefore speak. Pressed unto it, I am ready, I am obliged to help you. I will definitely help you.